So we've got some cumulative frequencies for 80 serves by Roger Federer to say how fast they went. So we're looking at, how many serves went at a certain speed, and we're counting off as we go. So if I look at this, it tells me there's 80, but again, I can look at the graph. The top point is right here, which means that's the top of this graph, which is 80. So I'm going to write down to myself a note over here that there's 80 total. Okay, it says find the min and max speeds of the serve. Okay, well, it's where the stuff starts and ends. So the minimum is 180. The maximum is going to be the number that's at the end of this graph. So it's going to be the number that's underneath that red dot, which is, follow it down, right there, 230. So his serves range from 180 to 230. Estimate the median. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all my scratch work up here. So the median is 50%, which is 0.5 times 80, which means I'm looking for the 40th one. So I'm going over here to 40. I'm going over and 40 hits right there, which looks like that's going to be right there. If I did it right, yeah. So that's 209. So the median is approximately 209. Upper and lower quartiles, so same deal as before. I'm doing 25%, which is 0.25 times 80, which is 20. And 75%, which is 0.75 times 80, which is 60. So let's see what these things are. So 20 is right there, which is 199, and 60 is right there, which is 216. So 199, 216. The interquartile range is to subtract those two, which is 17. Estimate the number of serves that were more than 215. So 215, I want to go up to the graph and see if I can figure out about how many that was. So 215 is right there, I think. I did that right. Right there. All right, which goes over right there. And those go up by 2. So that's 58. So I'm going to go back down and do my work here. So 58, we're under that point or under, and there was 80 total, which means there's 22 over that number.